Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arts and Woods. In this video, we're discussing about doors. In fact, God doors. I'll explain everything about the doors in this video: the width, double door, single door, how it works, main door, inside doors, the height part, chalk hut part, the side part. And after this video, I'm sure you will be having all the information that you need to have about a door when you're thinking about it. Doors majorly are of two types: outside your main door and inside door. Inside and outside. Outside doors are mostly in 45 thickness. This is the width I'm talking about, 45 and then 35 All these doors are in 35 These are inside doors, in fact, for the temple inside the home. These are all going to Australia. This one is going to Hyderabad, different locations. Now, going into the further details, single door and double door. This is the other option. Double doors mostly have, if you see here, this male female concept, here, and on the other door the outside part here, and this works for the double door. Single doors are flat from both the sides, and this is how it works. So hinges on one side and lock on the other side, handle on one side, and it works fine. This one is the Christ door. You can see Jesus here, and it's a door. Is basically the Jesus knocking on the door concept. So Jesus is knocking on the door, and this is the main door for the client as he wanted. And the carving part you can see is the 3D carving that is quite good visible here. When I talk about 3D, there are two things again: 3D and 2D. 2D mostly works when you have when you want something transparent. You want to get the feel that something is inside also. Just like this door, you can see it's a 2D cutting pattern. This for the temple again, and these areas will have bells. We will install the bells, and again it's a double door. The same slot you can see here, male female system here. And the height for this one is around 6.5 feet. Different sizes, left to right, height, everything is different. This is again other door with the Ganpati ji right on the top and Kalash design. Here we have double door, as I mentioned, Lakshmi ji on both doors. Everything, every design is selected by the clients themselves, what they want on the door. Just like this pattern you see here, we have again bells. We'll install the bells before packing it. This will become a complete door. The hinges, hardware, locks, handles, these are all extra. You can procure it locally because it has got a huge choice what you want in the handles come from 50 rupees to 15,000 rupees of some handle I've used recently. So it's a huge range. So whichever you select from the local market, you can buy it, and that can be installed. Similarly, for the locks, there are several types of locks: biometric locks and triple lock, four types lock, five lock, multiple types of lock. So whichever you like, you can buy it locally. That can be fit easily. People know how to do it. They can do it. Now about the major part, about installation. See, when you are talking about a door, the main thing is the opening part, the place where we are fitting the door. If you are talking about the size, let's say 4 by 6.5 feet. 4 by 6.5 feet is the door size, and then when you have the opening, there is a chalk hut door frame on which the door runs. So this is the wall, then we have the door frame, and after the door frame you have the door. So if the door frame is already installed, the size we have is perfectly fine. We can measure it and you can let us know, and this is the size we want. If the door frame is not installed, then door frame has to be installed there. This can be 3 inches thick, 4 inches thick, that you can let us know, and accordingly the door size will reduce. So let's say you have 4 feet of space, open space, and you're installing 3 inches door frame on both sides. So the actual door will be 3.5 feet. Very simple calculation. So you have to check this once, whether the door frame is installed or it is yet to be installed. So door frame makes your complete door. The other thing is about the big grand door that has got the top over the door and the sides. The sides and the top goes on the wall. They are not part of the door, not the opening. They are outside the opening, so they go on the wall. So according to the space on the sides and the top, we decide what and how we are looking at it, and we can design it. So these are just few designs. The color is natural. Everything is solid teak wood, actual teak wood, and the color, the pattern, the texture part you can see is quite visible. That shows the real teak wood right here. and this is what we work on. We don't work on flush doors at the moment. We don't work on other woods. We are working on teak wood, and teak wood is considered one of the best woods, durable woods for any kind of door. About the pricing part, if we talk about a door, the prices are generally in square feet, and square feet again depends on the width of the door. So you can let us know what width are you looking, 45 or 35, and the size, and we can do a simple calculation and give you the price right away. The price is generally including polish and delivery, but we can give you X factory if the lot is more, and accordingly we can discuss about the price. Again, everything is as per your choice: size, design, color, pattern. Just like in this door, you don't want this kind of design, you want something else. We'll design it and make it for you, and it will be just like this double door we have earlier made in Ganeshji and Lakshmiji, but client this time had another door with Ganeshji, so he wanted same design on both the panels, so we did that. So broadly, it's about choice part. What you want, let us know. We'll make that in best prices, top quality, brand arson, and deliver to your home in India or outside India where you are. So select and let us know. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.